Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Paw Wave in Geometry Dash. First, launch Geometry Dash on your device, such as PC, mobile or console. Then go to the level editor or play mode. Next, select create new level or edit existing level. Then ensure you are in edit mode to access objects and waveforms. In the editor toolbar, locate the game mode or wave icon. This opens a menu of wave types available in your editor. Now, scroll through the wave options until you see the paw wave icon. It usually shaped like a paw print. Now, click it to select it as your active wave. Click in the level where you want the paw wave to appear. Then adjust direction, size and speed using editor tools. Now, switch to play mode and test the wave. Next, make sure it moves correctly and matches the level's rhythm or obstacle layout. After that, adjust timing, position, and obstacles for balance. Finally, save your level once everything is synced and working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.